Good morning all of you students and welcome back after the second periodic test. Today we will discuss about in civics subject. The chapter name is working of institutions. So what is institution in civics subject? We discuss so how many kinds of institutions. So let's see the whiteboard. The first is Supreme Court. Supreme Court is known as the institutions of government, and the second is legislative, and the third is president, and the fourth is prime minister. Supreme Court, legislative, and president and prime ministers, these subtopics are related to institutions of government. So firstly we can discuss about these topics. These institutions are included in our government system, in Indian political systems. The first is government. Student, do you know about the government? What is the meaning of government? Oftenly we can hear about the government, what is government, but we cannot imagine in right way to what is government. So let's we discuss about the government and especially meaning of government. So there are only three organs or elements of government, which is the first is executive. The first is executive, and the second is legislative. The second is legislative, and the third is judiciary. So executive, legislative, and judiciary are main three organs or elements of government. So the first is executive. What is executive? Executive, so according to our Indian constitutions, there are only two types of kinds of executive. That is, the first is nominal, and the second is actual. According to Indian constitutions, there are only two kinds of executive. The first is nominal executive and the second is actual executive. Who is the head of nominal executive and who is also head of the actual executive? So look at the whiteboard. The President of India. The President of India is head of nominal executive, and the council of minister. Council of ministers are known as the actual executive, and the head of council of ministers is prime minister. So nominal and actual, two kinds of executive according to our Indian constitutions. The first is nominal and the second is actual. President of India is the head of nominal executive, and the prime minister and his council of minister is the head of actual executive. That's clear. And after that we discuss about the second organs named legislative. What is legislative, student? We know that we have adopted a parliamentary system in our country. So there are only three parts of legislative. How many parts of legislative? Your answer is three parts of legislative. The first is president. The first is president, and the second is Lok Sabha, and the third is Rajya Sabha. These three main and important and impressive parts of Indian legislative system. There are only three types of three parts of legislative. The first is president, and the second is Lok Sabha, and the third is Rajya Sabha. And how many houses are in our parliamentary system? So your answer is there are only two houses in our parliamentary system. So which two houses? So then your answer is only Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha are also known as the houses of parliament, and president only a part of parliament. Lok Sabha, the other name of Lok Sabha is a lower house. Which house is known as the lower houses of the parliament? So your answer is Lok Sabha. Lok Sabha is lower houses, and the other name of Rajya Sabha is upper houses. Upper houses कौन सी है? राज्य सभा. तो लोक सभा लोअर हाउस के नाम से जानी जाती है और राज्य सभा अपर हाउस के नाम से जानी जाती है. तो ये भी क्या है बेटा? सब इंस्टीट्यूशन है. एंड थर्ड इज जुडिशरी. तो जुडिशरी सिस्टम में सुप्रीम कोर्ट, हाई कोर्ट and district court. There are only three layers of judiciary system. The first, at the top most, Supreme Court, top level Supreme Court. Supreme Court is situated in New Delhi, and the second is the subordinate court of our Supreme Court is known as the High Court, which is stabilized in various states in our country. The third is district court. So these elements or parts of our government system, and this is also known as the institutions. In the next video we discuss about the working of institutions, for example president, for example prime minister, for example Supreme Court. So what kind it means and working in our political system. Thanks for watching and see you in next video.